Hi, I'm Tony with the Weekend Warriors Home Improvement Show. Corey's around here somewhere working on a project, but what I'm working on is right here in front of me. I wanted to take a minute and talk to you about a super simple task that you can do on the cheap to freshen up a room. I'm going to be replacing an old outlet receptacle. It's ivory, it's got paint on it, maybe it doesn't even work. But you can take these out and replace them with something like this, a Decora style outlet and a square plate, and make it look super nice. There's a few easy, simple steps that you need to follow in order to do this safely and quickly. Number one, find the breaker panel and turn off the power to this switch. After you've turned it off, you want to go ahead and get your voltage meter and make sure that this doesn't have power. If it did have power, you'd see this red light come on and it beeps just a little bit. But if you don't get that red light or that beep, then you know this outlet is dead. That's step two. Step three, get a simple common slot screwdriver, take that plate off, pull that outlet out. There's a couple of things you'll find. You'll either find the wires are inserted in the back, and if you wanted to pull those out, you could depress a couple of little tabs in here and pull those out. But the easiest thing to do, since there's plenty of wire here, is really just to cut it. And of course you have to strip back the insulation and attach these to the screws that are on the outside. It's actually noted right on the back in case you forget. White goes on the silver side, and hot or black goes to the brass side. And the green screw right here is for your ground wire. You actually should be turning the hook or orienting the hook in such a way that when you're turning the screw tight, you're turning the end towards the direction that you're turning the screw. This baby, of course, goes right back up here. There you go. That's all there is to it. Make sure you follow those quick, easy steps. Get to the breaker panel, turn it off, use a voltmeter, test it twice. Get after it with a screwdriver, and when you're all done, you'll be so glad you took the time to do it. We'll see you next time.